अस्तु महोदय, सर्वेषां पुनः पुनः स्वागतं। नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यः। इदानीं प्रार्थनाश्लोकान् कुर्मः। अस्तु, दृश्यते वा सीता महोदय?
आं महोदय।
प्रारम्भं करोतु। सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये तिष्ठन्तु।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
धन्यवादः महोदय, सम्यक् रीत्या कृतवती।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
अस्तु, इदानीम् आरम्भं कुर्मः। Before I do this Punaravalukanam, I just wanted to ask you people whether you are comfortable in the pace of the class. Everyone is understanding the topic well. Please unmute karotu and vadatu ekam ekam. Sita Mahoday, bhavati vadatu prathama. Everything is okay for you? Are you understanding the topic well?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. And is there any problem to memorize the Rupani or something?
Maybe more practice is needed. Then only we can remember.
Yes.
Otherwise, we keep forgetting.
Yes, that is important. That is important, and that is happening with all of the students. It's not alone with you. Shubhangi Mahoday, what is your experience? Shubhangi Mahoday, how do you feel about the class? Is the pace good for you?
Yes, Mahoday.
Are you able to memorize things? What I say that you have to memorize, otherwise it will be difficult later on.
Yes.
किंचित किंचित अभ्यासः करोतु, तत्पश्चात् सर्वे सुलभः भवति। किमपि कठिनं नास्ति अत्र, परन्तु अभ्यासः आवश्यकम्। अवगतम्? अभ्यासः आवश्यकम्। ईश्वरन् महोदय, how do you feel, Mahoday?
I'm comfortable, but it's very structured way of learning. I really appreciate it.
सम्यक् न श्रूयते महोदय।
The thing is, we have to practice. Practice, unless we keep on revising the earlier classes repeatedly, then there is a disconnect. We find it difficult.
Actually,
we have to spend more time practicing and revising the earlier classes so that we get a
yes, only key is the abhyasah. Again and again practicing the same thing. And the pace of the class, Ishwaran Mahoday, am I running too fast?
No, it is okay. It is fine.
It's okay, na? Fine.
All classes are many.
Uttamam.
There is no hurry and all. We have to follow it.
Because see, this is the foundation of the Sanskar, means Bhasha. We are doing the foundation work here. So you have to understand properly. You have to know the tips and tricks, how to keep it in memory. That is important. So that's why I keep on telling you, this way you remember, this is the rhyming and this is the pattern you have to take care. So all these things, again and again, in all my classes, I will try to give you some tips or tricks, how to remember, how to memorize it. Okay.
How are the other students in the other batches preparing?
I have no idea. You have friends with them, then please ask how they are doing.
No, batch 2, batch 1, how they are. You may not know. You may not know.
I do not know. Astu. I just wanted to say again and again, do not worry at all. There shouldn't be any thing for you to worry how I would copy up, whether I would be able to copy it up or not, or is this Sanskritam is going to be difficult for me. That sort of worry you just tyajatu, sarve tyajatu. Nothing like that. Initially, in the first class, it happens that it is difficult to memorize. It's a different thing you are studying. And there means, moreover, I wanted to say that it's a 4 years journey. You are in the first level. So slightly you would feel that it is not coming as I wanted to, as I wished it would come. So it is not coming that way. It is not coming into my memory that fast what I initially thought of. So not to think like that. Simply you do the abhyasa, do the homework, be attentive in the class. That's all. Nothing else. Astu? So here goes Punaravalokanam. Aksharam, Padam, Vakyam. Aksharam, you people remember? Anybody else who has joined lately? I have not noted the name.
I have
Anyone
joined
like-
Dhruva.
Mahoday?
Haripriya
Dhruva
ma'am.
Mahoday. Astu. Haripriya. Swagatam. Astu. So I was asking, how is the pace of the class? Are you people comfortable? Are you people to are you means feeling it that you can memorize the Rupani, memorize things? So is this okay? Going okay?
Mahoday, it is okay for me. Only thing is, at times, certain words are like not, I don't know the meaning of them, so I find it difficult. But again, I try to browse it because I don't know which, is there any specific dictionary which I can use for Sanskrit? I don't know. So I would like to ask you that also, so that sometimes certain words are difficult. We can just get the meaning from the respective dictionary or book that you prescribe.
Yeah, books means I think ashtadhyay.com is very good help for you people.
Okay.
You know how to open it? www.ashtadhyay.com.
Okay.
There, if you open, there are first you try to locate at the bottom Dhatu Pathaha.
Okay.
Okay. So Dhatu Pathaha, once you open that, you will find a browsing window above. Okay, there you it is now accepting English version also. Otherwise, previously it was accepting only Devanagari. So you type there Path, P-A-T-H. It will give you Pathadhatu. All the Latlakar Rupani there.
Okay.
There. And for your there after Dhatu Patha, Shabda Patha is also there. So you, if you go to the Shabda Patha, there you can put Pratipadikam, say Rama, Athva, Balika, Athva, all these things. If you write, probably this also is taking English version, and you will get the Nama Padani there. Nama Padasya Rupani there. Means how Prathama Vibhakti will be there, Sadutiya Vibhakti, Tritiya, all entire 7 Vibhaktis and the Sambodhanam is there. So Namapadani, I think that Pratipadikam, the Moola Shabdaha, that is very important. You should know that. Gradually it will come. At least
Okay.
you people are there, means you are interested in finding out dhatu and how the Rupani Chalanti, and you are interested in finding out the meaning also. For meaning, initially, this is spoken Sanskrit, there is a website that will give you the meaning. If at all you are not, means you think that you have some doubt in the meaning, do write in the WhatsApp group or
Mhm.
note down, and in the class we will discuss.
Okay, Mahoday.
Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. So this is Aksharam. We started our journey from Aksharam, Aksharmala, and we studied Swara and Vyanjanam. Then came to Padam, means Rama, Athva Nama, Athva Balika, Athva Vriddha, all these Padam, Athva Vakyam, Balika Khadati. So, and then we studied that what is the Pratipadikam, Nama Padasya Gunaha Ke, Kriya Padasya Gunaha Ke. We will study all these things once again. Like the complete screen is visible, na? I think it's visible. Huh?
Mahoday.
Mahoday.
Okay. So Aksharam is Aksharmala, Swara and Vyanjanani. And here Padam. So Aksharanam Sarthak Samuha Padam Bhavati. Yatha Balika. This is what Sarthak Samuha means. It should give some meaning to you. Some meaningful word. They are called Padam. If I say ma, the pa, it's not making any sense. So pa the ma, padam. This is making sense. At least ma the pa, I have not encountered any such word in this 4 years journey. So akshara nam sarthak samuha means meaningful grouping of the letters, then making a word. Okay, meaningful grouping. Grouping should give you some meaning that you can apply, or you should you know it already. So what is the why it is written here is sarthaka samuha aksharanam sarthaka samuha padam bhavati yatha balika. If I say here kali ba, it doesn't give any meaning. So balika, it's a sarthak grouping of the varnas. So padam dve prakare stah. Dve prakare, there are 2 types of padam. We are talking about padam here. First is nama padam, another one is second is kriya padam. So nama padam means you know that all Sarvanama Padam and Nam, all these are under Nama Padam. They are Balakaha, Vriddhaha, Mayuraha, Sa, all these things are Nama Padam. And Kriya Padam what? The action. Action done by the Karta. That is Kriya Padam. Vakyam Kim? Padanam Samuha Vakyam Bhavati. Means group of words. When I say words, it means padam. So group of words. How it can be written here? Balika, halam, khadati. Khadati is kriya padam, balika is karta, and halam is karma padam. That we will, I think, after 1 or 2 classes, you will be studying this phalam. Okay. So padanam samuha. Samuha is a group. Group of words becomes vakyam. So group of words here. One should be karta, the other this is the doer, this is the action being done. And what is the effect of the action? On whom is the effect of the action? What balika khadati? Kim khadati balika? Phalam khadati. Istu agre pashyamaha. So here we would see how padam is means it is nirmanam bhavati. How? Padam ityukte prakritihi, that means moola roopam plus some pratyayah. Do not worry about pratyayah. What is pratyayah and how they are written? Do not worry about that. Simply you have to remember that moola roopam shabda is when added with pratyaya, then they become padam. Okay. So now padam and then nama padam and kriya padam, there are two varieties, two types of this padam. So nama padam, what happens? Pratipadikam plus pratyayah. So which pratyayah is added here? Sup pratyayah. Again, I would say do not bother about sup pratyayah. You will come to know it later in the other classes. Then coming to kriya padam. Kriya padam ityukte dhatuhu. As for a nama padam, pratipadikam is the mool roopam or mool shabdah. Here, kriya padam, the mool roopam is known as dhatuhu. Okay. So pratipadikam plus some pratyaya, dhatuhu plus some pratyaya. Independently or alone, they do not make any meaning, pratipadikam athva dhatuhu, unless they are added with the pratyaya. Okay, so what we study, what we came to know here, prakritihi is divided into two parts, pratipadikam and dhatu. Pratipadikam, when added with supratyaya, they become full-fledged namapadam. Dhatuhu plus ting pratyaya, they become kriyapadam. Okay. So in namapadam, something is there, original word. After that, the rupani come and you know that, oh, this is prathama vibhakti, Ramaha, Rama, Rama. So Ramaha, Rama is the pratipadikam. Ramaha, to become Ramaha, there is some pratyaya being added here. Ramau, Dvivachane, again some pratyaya is being added here. Ramaha, Bahuvachane, again some pratyaya is being added here. So Ramaha, Ram, every vachanam, every vibhakti, there are pratyaya, they gradually being added to make all the 7 vibhaktis Trishivachanesu. Okay. So for Namapadam, Supratyaya being added. And for Dhatuhu or Kriyapadam, Dhatu plus Ting Pratyaya, they become Kriyapadam. So Namapadam, Kriyapadam, if someone asks what is the Moola Rupam, then you have to say Dhatuhu for Namapadam Pratipadikam. If you want to hear what is written, Prakritihi Pratyayah Cha Prathakarupena Upyoktum Na Shakyate. Prakriti, this one, Pratyaya or Ting athva Sup, these two, if you want to use them separately, independently, you cannot do that. So unless the pratyaya is added, the word doesn't become complete. Neither kriyapadam nor na. Astu? Now, Namapadam. Coming to Namapadam. What are the characteristics of the Namapadam? Okay. We have seen that we studied whether it is Swarantaha athva Vyanjanantaha. Phalam is Makarantaha, Akarantaha. Swarantaha means a athva a athva e at the end. And if it is Ramam, then Makaranta. Okay. So if Vyanjan is at the end, means halanta aksharaha at the end, then it is Vyanjananta, ending into Vyanjanam. If it is a, then swaraha. Okay. Pratipadikam kim? We have just seen that mool shabda is the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam for namapadam only. When it is kriyapadam, the mool shabda becomes dhatuhu. Okay. Now coming to lingam, we studied this. The lingam, pullingam, strilingam and napunsakalingam. Three different kinds of lingam there: pullingam, strilingam and napunsakalingam. All this you have studied, but not shown in this way. So vachanam means ekavachanam, dvivachanam and bahuvachanam. So antaha, swarantaha athva vyanjanam ante asti. Pratipadikam means moola shabdaha. Lingam, there are three types. Shamyatam. Vachanam, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. When it comes to vibhakti, there are 7 vibhakti and 1 sambodhanam. So total there are 8. Okay. So these 5 are the characteristics of Nama Padam. So that's why the heading is Nama Padasya Gunaha. Ke antaha pratipadikam lingam vachanam vibhakti. If you see Rama, so Rama is antaha akarantaha, pratipadikam Rama shabdaha, Ramaha. If you say Ramaha, antaha is taken from pratipadikam. So that is why akaranta, moola shabda Rama, lingam pullingam, vachanam Ramah ekavachanam, vibhakti ka prathama vibhakti. So this way you describe one namapadam. That's why this heading has come here. This is describing the characteristics of namapadam. Agre gachami. Now coming to the kriya. So what we saw in namapadam, similarly kriyapadam also has certain characteristics. Certain attributes are there attached to kriyapadam also. Teke dhatuhu purushaha vachanam lakaraha. So dhatuhu ityukte patha dhatu, has dhatu, gam dhatu, likha dhatu, many such dhatu are there. Okay. Then when we see kriyapadam, we discuss purushaha also. Prathama purushaha, madhyam purushaha, uttam purushaha. Agre kim bhavati? Vachanam. We study ekavachanam, trivachanam and bahuvachanam. Then we come and see that kriyapadam can be divided into dashalakara. So every lakara has its meaning. I tell you how. Mukhyatayah, dashalakaraha, parantu mukhyatayah panchalakaraha patishyama. Teke, lat, lang, drit, lot and vidhiling. Lat kim? Kaha arthaha lat lakaraha? Vartaman kalaha. What we say in English, present tense. That is lat lakaraha. Okay, lang lakaraha, bhut kalaha. That is past tense. Lit lakaraha, that is bhavishyat kala. Need not worry about this. You will, as soon as gradually you will study, you will remember all this. So lot lakara is agya athva prarthana. Vidhilinga sambhavana. So these are the main 5 lakaras out of 10 that we are going to study. Astu? Agre. So lakara, here we will stop and we'll discuss if you do not understand anything. Lakaraha tatsya tesham parichayaha kaha. Lakaraha kriyayaha kalaha prakaraha dyutayanti. What they show, lakaraha, they show the kala, means tense or the time of action. Prakaraha means how many types they are. Lakaraha, these two they show. Lakaraha, kriyayaha, of the kriya, kalaha, prakaraha, darshayanti, dyutayanti, they show. Lakaras denote the tense and the mood of the action. Okay, so kalavachakaha we can say, Angla bhashayam we say tense athva time of the action. Here we say kalavachaka. Kal ityukte samayah. So present tense vartamana kalaha, past tense bhutakalaha, and future tense ityukte bhavishyat kalaha. So this is kalavachakaha, by which we can understand in which time this action is being done. Pathati ityukte idanim pathati. Now, pathati ityukte latlakara vartamana kalaha. Now you are reading. That is latlakara. You will do later on. Vayam pathishyamaha. That is bhavishyat kalaha. Okay. So kalavachakaha. We apathat means saha apathat. He read. So that is past tense. Astu. Bhavavachakaha ke mood of the action. The action shows some additional qualities, inducing action through order or request. So this is some prarthana. You say that may you please do this, or you order, you do this, or probability is there, some sambhavana is there, it may rain today. So all these things are, they add to the mood of the action. So they are called bhavavachikaha. So lakaraha, kalavachikaha, bhavavachikaha, they are there. Okay. So up till now, do you think that anything I have to repeat it here? Kriyapadasya gunaha sarve avagatam.
आं महोदय
Acha. And namapadasya gunaha?
आं महोदय
Acha. This is
Mahoday,
Vada.
I have a doubt. So lakaraha is to denote the tense and mood of the action. What does vibhakti actually do? What is, if you can?
Yes. Vibhakti is what? Prathama vibhakti is this is for the doer. Ramaha pathati, Ramau pathataha. So Prathama is for karta, who is the
Okay.
doer of the action. Same way, Ditiya vibhakti shows the karma padam. Tritiya shows upakaranam, by which or with which you are doing this action.
Okay.
And Chaturthi vibhakti, for whom you are doing the action. Panchami, if there is any separation from the moon thing, that way.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
that way, vibhakti and the karaka is going to be a little difficult at this moment for you. But
Okay.
vibhakti and the karaka, they join together to make a sentence meaningful.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Dhanyavad Mahoday.
It's okay. So, Kriya Padam is okay. Then here, Nama Padam is okay. This one is okay. Pratipadikam is okay. Sarve unmute karo tu. Evam
आं
vadat.
महोदय
Pratipadikam plus pratyayah. Sup pratyayah
Mhm.
for Nama Padam, for Kriya Padam, Ting pratyayah.
धातु
Okay. Okay.
Pratyaya is something that is added to the end, is it?
No. Pratyayah, yeah. Suffix.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it always a suffix or it can be prefix as well?
No, prefix means upasargaha. They come before. Pratyaya, they are suffixes and they come after. After
Okay.
Namapadam or Kriyapadam, they show.
Kriyapadam.
Mula, they are added to the Mula Shabdaha. If it is Kriyapadam, they will be added into Dhatu.
Mhm.
Okay. And if it is Namapadam, they will be added to the Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Okay.
Hmm.
Astu. So today's topic, इदानीं लट्लकारे मध्यमपुरुषे त्रिषु वचनेषु क्रियापदानि पठिष्यामः. This is भविष्यत्कालः. पठिष्यामः. वयं पठिष्यामः. We will study. So this क्रियापदम् is in भविष्यत्कालः. अस्तु. So लट्लकारे इत्युक्ते वर्तमानकालः. Now what is here? It is present here. That in that moment you are doing something. So लट्लकारे. Now madhyama purushe. You have all prathama purushe mangalvasare कक्षायां सर्वे पठितवन्तः न? प्रथम पुरुषः मंगलवासरे
महोदय.
कक्षायां पठितवन्तः न?
हम्म.
सर्वे जानन्ति. ध्रुवा महोदय, सीता महोदय, सर्वे जानन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः के?
अस्तु महोदय. आं महोदय.
अस्तु अस्तु. So लट्लकारे मध्यमपुरुषे त्रिषु वचनेषु, एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं, in all the three numbers, madhyamapurusha, about what are the kriya padani, what are the verbs that we will study today. So here vartamana kalaha latlakaraha. Purushah ke prathama purushah, madhyama purushah, uttam purushah. Vachanam कानि वचनानि. एकवचनम् अस्ति, द्विवचनम् अस्ति, बहुवचनम् अपि अस्ति. So we see that Purushaha is Prathama, Madhyama, Uttama. Last class we discussed that Madhyama Purushaha means this person has a small kingdom, but no other things come into it. What? Why? This Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Haripriya ji, this is Prathama Vibhakti. This is Karta, denoting Karta. So Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. This is the only three things. One you, two you, and all of you. Ekavachanam Tvam, Yuvam two, Dvivachane, Yuyam,
You all.
Bahuvachane. Okay. So Madhyama Purushaha means Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. This is Prathama Vibhakti. Okay.
Okay.
So what happens when you go to the Uttama Purushaha? This will speak about I, we two, and we all. Okay. I, two persons, and then we all. Here you two, and you all. Okay, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So, pratham, if you take these madhyam purusha, uttam purusha into consideration, all other things fall into this category, prathama purusha. Okay, nama padam, sarva nam padam, sarve, under this heading they come, prathama purusha. Only madhyam purusha, tvam, yuvam, yuvyam, uttam purusha, aham, avam, vayam. So this is not very difficult. You have to remember this categorization. So small word, this is a small word. This also a small word. Here the word is larger. Namapadam, all sarve namapadani, sarve sarva namapadani, they all fall into prathama purushaha. So how this prathama purushaha kriya padani go? पठति एकवचनं पठतः द्विवचनं पठन्ति बहुवचनं. Our topic, today's topic is मध्यम पुरुषः पठसि पठतः पठथ. Why is because मंगलवासरे भवन्तः सर्वे पठितवन्तः प्रथम पुरुषः. That's why this class is dealing with मध्यम पुरुषः त्रिषु वचनेषु. त्रिषु वचनेषु इत्युक्ते एकवचनमपि द्विवचनमपि बहुवचने अपि. Tamam? So before I proceed further, I would like you to remember Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So I please ask all of you, unmute karotu. I would say and you repeat it. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Say loudly.
Tvam,
Tvam, yuvam,
Vam,
yuyam.
yum.
Again. Tvam,
Vam,
yuvam,
yuvam,
yuyam.
yuyam.
Tvam,
After
yuvam,
me.
yum.
On
After me. Huh? Let me say first, then you people repeat. Again, once more. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam.
Vam,
Tvam,
yuvam,
yuvam,
yuyam.
yuyam.
Yum.
Yes. And now coming to the Kriya Padam. Kriya Padani. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha. Say.
Patasi, patatha,
patatha.
patatha.
Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Patasi, patatha, patatha.
Once more. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Patasi, patatha, patatha.
Uttama. So see here, instead of pathati, P is replaced by C. Okay? Madhyama purushe kaha bhavati, pathasi bhavati. Instead of pathati, T is replaced by C. How to memorize it? This is that way I am telling you. So if you remember pathati, you should immediately connect when I ask you Madhyam Purushe Kim Bhavati. T is replaced by C. So pathati becomes a pathasi, ekvachani. Now coming to the dvivachani. Pathatah, taha is replaced by thaha. Okay? So taha is not here when it comes to Madhyam Purushaha, dvivachane pathatha. And pathatha. Pathatha visargaha. If bahuvachane asti, then remove this visargaha and it becomes bahuvachanam. Pathatha. Is it okay? Avagatam sarve?
Yes.
Mहोदय.
Ishwaran Mahoday, kimapi
Yeah, yeah.
kleshah asti?
Fine.
It's okay?
Yes.
Samyak. So now shall I move further? Okay. Huh? Idanim. Agre gachami. Latalakaraha madhyam purushaha. Now I am adding what? I am adding kriya padam evam na madhyam purushaha ekavachanam here. So tvama pathasi. Ekavachanam will be added, paired with ekavachanam kriya padam. So you read na pathasi pathatha pathatha. And then previously you read tvam yuvam yuyam. So ekavachan will pair with pathasi. Dvivachanam will pair with dvivachanam, bahuvachanam will pair with bahuvachanam. So if I say tvam pathasi, yuvam pathatha, yuyam pathatha, so there is no difficulty here as we practiced in the previous slides. Tvam likhasi, yuvam likhatha, yuyam likhatha. If you do not find any visarga here, you should immediately connect with it with bahuvachane. So it is bahuvachanam, yuyam. Okay, now this slide is clear. Then I move further. You can also pair na ekavachanam with ekavachanam. Ekavachanam tvam with pathasi. Dvivachanam yuvam pathatha. Then bahuvachanam yuyam pathatha. So all they have very systematic pairing. You cannot add tvam with pathatha or tvam with pathatha. This would be wrong. So ekavachanam sadaiva ekavachane pair karoti. Astu agre gachamaha. Abhyasaha kurmaha. This is very important. This will means make you feel that yeah, now it is easy for me. After this abhyasaha, your confidence will be immediately up. How? Let's see. So what I say that all these rupani, all these nama padam, like sahataute, sate taha, tatte tani, etadete tani, all these things you should note down in as it is a table in your notebook. So immediately you will not be memorizing everything. So whenever someone asks you, see it and speak out. See and speak out. Seeing and speaking, another kind of abhyasa. So once seeing and speaking, then one day will come that you won't be thinking of seeing and then speaking. It will automatically come. This will go into the memory. Okay. So first the notebook should be ready. You shouldn't go, if I'm asking in a class, you cannot go to the slide and see and then speak. Okay. So your notebook should be pakka. That is very important. So here it is what? Tvam yuvam yuyam. And you just read that pathadhatu madhyam purushe katham bhavati pathasi pathatha pathatha. Now chalati is here. Okay. So chalati chalataha chalanti you know. Now I showed you in the previous slides that how chalati chalataha chalanti you can convert it into pathasi pathatha pathatha. So what will happen? Chalasi chalatha chalatha. Okay. Khadati will become khadasi khadatha khadatha. Avagatam na? Is it coming to your memory? Okay.
Yes.
Huh.
Amod.
Samyak. So now I ask, whom shall I ask? Shubhangi. Mahoday, bhavati karotu, pashyati. Tvam yuvam yuvyam. Use them and solve this pashyati.
Tvam pashyasi,
Hmm.
yuvam pashyatah,
Hmm.
yuyam pashyatha.
Again, one more karo.
Tvam jayasi,
Hmm.
yuvam jayatah.
Actually, here the tankan dosha asti. Jayati. It is Jayati. So, anyway, this is solved here. So, Tvam Jayasi. Vadatu Mahoday.
Yuvam jayatah, yuyam jayatha.
Uttamam. Agre, I ask. Vishwanath Mahoday. Unmute karotu, Bhavan karotu.
आम् महोदय
Agre. Dvau.
त्वं पतसि युवां पतथः यूयं पतथ
Uttamam. Again, Agre.
त्वं स्मरसि
Hmm.
युवां स्मरथः
Hmm.
यूयं स्मरथ
Uttamam. Now coming to Ishwaran Mahoday. Bhavan karotu.
Pasati.
Yeah. Hasati and Pachati.
Tvam asati
T would be replaced by
si.
Vadatu. Punah vadatu.
Yuvam
Tvam.
yuvam asata satata
Ha.
yuyam asatha.
Uttamam. Pachati api karotu.
Tvam pachasi
Hmm.
yuvam pachataha
Hmm.
yuyam pachatha.
So hasasi and pachasi. Hasatha pachatha. Hasatha pachatha. Uttam. Astu. Agre Dhruva Mahoday. Bhavati karotu. Tisthati gayati.
Tvam tisthasi,
Hmm.
yuvam tishtathah,
Hmm.
tishtatah,
Hmm.
yuyam tishtatha.
Uttamam. Gayati.
Tvam gayasi, tvam gayatah, sorry, yuvam gayatah, yuyam gayatha.
Uttamam. Agre Haripriya Mahoday. Bhavati karotu. Namati and Pibati.
त्वं नमसि युवां नमतः यूयं नमथ त्वं पिबसि युवां पिबथः यूयं पिबथ
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् सीता महोदय भवत्याः अवसरः क्रीडति गच्छति करोतु
त्वं क्रीडसि युवां क्रीडतः यूयं क्रीडथ त्वं गच्छसि युवां गच्छतः यूयं गच्छथ
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् अग्रे अगेन शुभांगी महोदय वदति यन् इच्छति करोतु
त्वं वदसि युवां वदतः यूयं वदथ त्वम् इच्छसि युवाम् इच्छतः यूयम् इच्छथ
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् सर्वे सम्यक् कुर्वन्ति इदानीं in this slide I have not written here tvam and then other two vachanani. So do you remember Shubhangi Mahoday?
Yes.
Vishwanath Mahoday bhavan smarati va?
आम महोदय
अच्छा
त्वं
so
चरसि
hmm.
त्वं चरसि युवां चरथः यूयं चरथ
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् अग्रे
त्वं
अपि
चरसि त्वं तरसि युवां तरथः यूयं तरथ
उत्तमम् अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् करोतु
Which one?
गर्जति क्षिपति
Tvam karchasi yuam karjatah yuyam karjatha.
उत्तमं क्षिपति
Tvam chipati tvam chipasi yuam chipatah yuyam chipatha.
क्षिपथ उत्तमं ध्रुवा महोदय भवती करोतु खनति कर्षति
त्वं खनसि युवां खनथः यूयं खनथ
उत्तमम् अग्रे
त्वं कर्षसि युवां कर्षथः यूयं कर्षथ
उत्तमम् उत्तमं हरिप्रिया महोदय भवती अग्रे करोतु रक्षति कूजति
त्वं रक्षसि युवां रक्षतः यूयं रक्षथ त्वं कूर्जसि कूजसि युवां कूजतः यूयं कूजथ
सीता महोदय भवती करोतु
त्वं भ्रमसि युवां भ्रमतः यूयं भ्रमथ
नृत्यति
त्वं नृत्यसि युवां नृत्यथः यूयं नृत्यथ
उत्तमम् again comes to anybody else who has not got the chance. I'm calling everybody's name now.
I just now came for you.
Acha. Okay. So can you do it or you wish to watch one or two?
I will tell you.
Acha. So Shyamala अस्तु भवती करोतु करोति and क्रुध्यति
क्रोध्यति क्रोध्यसि क्रोध्यसि करोति करोति
yes न त्वं add it
त्वं करोषि यूयं करोति
कुरुथः it is it okay leave it karoti don't do we have not studied it krudhyati this you do
त्वं क्रुध्यसि युवां क्रुध्यत यूयं क्रुध्यतः
न क्रुध्यथः in the middle द्विवचने श्यामला महोदय वीडियो ऑन करोतु किमपि समस्या अस्ति Why? Video is off. Can you switch your video on, please? Okay. अस्तु, किमपि समस्या अस्ति? अस्तु, वदतु, इदानीं वदतु.
कृत्यति
क्रुध्यथः is थः विसर्गः is द्विवचने. क्रुध्यथ, there is no visarga in bahuvachanam. हाँ, करोतु इदानीं.
त्वं त्वं कृत्यसि युवां कृत्यतः यूयां कृत्यत
क्रुध्यथ. अग्रे धावति इति करोतु.
धावति त्वं धावसि यूयं धावतः युवां धावतः यूयं धावत.
Dhavatha. Okay. Then one is here, Rudati. Who wants to do it? I would say Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu.
Which one?
Rudati. This one. Rudati.
Which one?
Tvam.
Tvam. Rudasi.
Rudasi.
Yuvam. Rudhatha. Yuyam. Rudhatha.
Rudatha. Okay. Rudati, Rudasi, Rudatha, Rudatha. Okay. So all of you understood it. How does this Tvam Yuvam Yuyam can be paired with Kriya Padam? So Charati becomes Charasi, Charatha, Charatha. Okay. So I have given you few table. I'll show you. Do you all get this on Friday now? I am deliberately posting it all on Friday so that you can pre-study it. Getting
Yes.
or there is a problem?
No,
You
we
are
are
getting
getting it. We are getting it.
Yeah, we are getting it.
Oh, okay, okay. So here are few tables. 3 tables I have given. Okay. I think it is clear to you, or shall I zoom it out?
It's clear, Mahoday.
Clear, na? So here is what, see, this is Pathati, second one. So Pathati has, this is square root sign is there. Can you see it? Or
Mahoday.
shall I? So Patati is there, Patati. Pata square root sign is there. This is Dhatu. Wherever Drish is square root sign under it, it is written, or tick sign you can say. I am telling mentioned here. Okay, there are 30 such dhatu I have selected, and then Rupani are given in the lat lakara. Like this patati, patatah, patanti. Then today's class is for Madhyam Purushaha. Patasi, patathah, patatha. This is falling. Then Drish. Pashyati. Drish is slightly different. The dhatu naam is different. It's not Pash dhatu. Generally, it is happening like that. But Drish dhatu, Pashyasi, Pashyatha, Pashyatha. So what you have to do, you have to just read it. Okay? Shyamala Mahoday, you joined late. So I would like you also to do what, keep these things, either if you can take a printout, then keep it here. If you have some Rupani book with you, then it's okay. There must be, all these are listed there. If you do not have, just make a printout and keep it with you. So this would be very easy for you. So remembering, all these are lat lakaraha only. What is our topic today? Lat lakaraha madhyama purushaha. Wherever you tisthasi, tisthatha, tisthatha. Pibasi, pibatha, pibatha. Vadasi, vadatha, vadatha. Everywhere. Yajasi means yagya karna, homa, yagya. So yajasi, yajatha, yajatha. Similarly here also, see nritta, nritta dhatu, we did it today. Nrityasi, nrityatha, nrityatha. So here prathama purushaha, nrityati, nrityataha, nrityanti. Okay, Haripriya Mahoday, is it making sense now, this table?
Mahoday.
So you can readily available, something is there. Either you note it down, handwritten, or you get a printout. Okay, so this will be easily available for you. Nrityasi nrityatha nrityatha. So here another table is there. So to all total there are 30 such dhatu. Say chip, we did it. Chipati, chipataha, chipanti, throw, something throwing away. Chipasi, chipatha, chipatha. Then for Uttam Purusha, next class, Tuesday class, you would be studying about Uttama Purusha, I, we two, and we all. This you will study in next class. So Uttam Purusha, chipasi, chipatha, chipatha. So this way it is all meant for you. Anybody has any doubt about Madhyama Purusha, Latalakaraha, Kriyapadani? Anything you wish to means ask about?
Nasti Mahoday.
So
have to
clear, Mahoday.
Dhruva
we have to
Mahoday?
remember. So
Vadatu Ishwaran Mahoday?
we have to remember this root, what is that? Raksha, whatever is there, no? What is that?
Raksha dhatu.
Dhatu we have to remember.
Dhatu you have to, I couldn't get, I'm so sorry.
You have to remember it.
Yeah, it's not remembering. If you want to, suppose this book, this table is not before you. You wish to go to Ashtadhyayi and look for it. So you have to, if you remember at the same time, Raksha dhatu, Rakshati, Rakshataha, Rakshanti, it would be easy for you. If you do not remember, you simply put in the browsing window Raksha, and it will give you Rakshati, Rakshataha, Rakshanti. Otherwise, if you have to type Rakshati, then it may give, it may not give. But once you put Dhatu, it will immediately give you. So that is why Dhatu is important. If you do not memorize for now, it's okay. But at least whenever you read the Rupani, Pratham Purushe, Madhyam Purushe, Uttam Purushe, have a glance at Dhatu. What is the Dhatu here? Okay, have a glance over it also. So this is the complete, in total you are studying. This, your foundation will become stronger. What we did not know how to see in Astadhyayi and all, how to use those websites. So we struggled a lot. So if you start seeing, put As Dhatu, this will get, you will get immediately Latlakara, all these things. Okay.
The
So,
site is Ashtadhyayi Mahoday Dhruvaya. Ashtadhyayi.
Ashtadhyayi. Note down. I'm speaking the spelling. www.ash ta dhy ayi.com.
Ashtadhyayi.com.
Yes, there you go. Dhatu Patha. Once it is opened now in your window, then you go for the Dhatu Patha. Write Khanati or Khan Dhatu. Khana. Now it is accepting English version. That's why KHAN, if you write now, Khan, this will give Khanati, Khanata, Khananti. Okay. So there are ganas also, but gradually you will learn. it's not very easy. It's slightly, you will feel overwhelmed and it's very complicated how to find it. But you start searching. That will give you a very good practice. So by the end of this year, you people will become master looking dhatu. Okay. So now what I have thought about it, everybody please take out your this thing, homework. We will discuss the homework fast. Okay, now I am stopping the recording. I will again start that. Okay, take out your homework, please.
Hey, Mahoday, just a minute.